Despite all the fears, the US stock market has recouped its losses over the week and even broken new highs. Stocks soared amid a string of upbeat earnings reports released by big corporations this week, namely Google, Amazon, Tesla, and Tessera. Yet, many analysts advise traders to remain cautious about such a rapid rally. They note that the stocks went up thanks to retail investors. Additionally, trading volumes are not growing during this rally. We have analyzed the current situation and made our own prediction about how these two factors may affect the main US indexes. Watch this video review in order to stay up to date with the latest market news. Last week, the Dow Jones did not rise significantly. Currently, it's trading at 35,000, whereas last week its value was 34,000. Today, traders will learn the results of earnings reports of some large companies that influence the index. So far, the forecasts are positive. According to some sources, a number of corporations increased their profits in the second quarter. This is why analysts predicted that the Dow will edge higher this week, rising to 35,500 from 34,800 points. As for the S&P 500 index, many investors are still waiting for the quarterly reports of large companies this week. Earnings reports may even exceed expectations. As of today, about a quarter of the companies included in the S&P 500 have unveiled their net profit results. Notably, 88% of them reported higher earnings per share results in comparison with the forecasts. So analysts expect that the index will keep growing to 4,600 from 4,400 points. The NASDAQ Composite Index increased as expected. Currently, it's trading at its peak of 14,800 points. So far, experts have no doubt that positive quarterly reports will push the index even higher. It's expected to trade in the range of 14,800 to 15,500 points. The capitalization of PerkinElmer has jumped by 4.7% in just a couple of days. A supply of products and services for diagnostics and biomedical research is buying BioLegend, a company that produces antibodies and reagents for $5.25 billion in a combination of cash and stock. PerkinElmer stocks spiked amid this news. Besides, its shares are likely to maintain a bullish bias in the long term. Otis Worldwide shares added 0.6%. The manufacturer of lifting equipment recorded a 45.5% increase in net profit in the second quarter. The adjusted indicator and revenue exceeded market expectations, so the company upwardly revised its forecast for the current year. Hasbro shares spiked even more, by almost 12.2%. The US manufacturer of children's toys multiplied its net loss by 32% in the second quarter of 2021, surpassing market expectations. The US stock market rose moderately following last week's results, with all three major indexes closing at the highs ahead of an eventful week. We will tell you about all the most significant market events in the next video. Do not miss our new video reviews.